Yo, what up everybody? It's your boy General 315, man. I'm back again, another sneaker review video for y'all, man. And today I got a little special video for y'all. I mean, I wasn't really expecting to get this shoe. I kind of got this shoe on an accident. I really don't know how I got it or who it's from or whatever. I don't even know if it's retail or not, to be honest with y'all. I just know that I got the shoe. Long story short, I tried to send a pair of Travis Scott ones to one of the subscribers, one of y'all probably watching the video. Tried to send the pair out because I had an extra pair, and when he got the shoe, he opened the box and it was this shoe. Now I don't know how that happened, but I never had this shoe before, otherwise I would have already reviewed it. I told him, I said, all right, just go ahead and send it back. My bad, bro, maybe next time. But anyway, went ahead, he sent this shoe back. It was a size 13. I have no idea how he got the shoe, where the shoe's from, if it's UA, if it's retail. I have no idea. I'm gonna review it anyway. It's a shoe that I never had before, so I might as well review it. So let's just get to it. StockX and GOAT prices are on the screen. It's actually going for quite a bit of money for StockX and GOAT prices, but I mean, if you want a UA, I guess you could go to Trader Joe's or Kiku or whoever your plug might be for UAs. You can go there and get a shoe from there. I'm not telling y'all to do it, but y'all can do what y'all want. So I just want to break this shoe down real quick. It's real basic. It is an off-white Air Force One. This is the University Gold or Lemonade pair, I think. And this is a big ass shoe. I ain't gonna lie. This is a huge shoe. It's a size 13. I really don't know if it's true to size. I don't wear size 13. So getting it on foot, I might have to get creative. I might have to ask my brother or my uncle to come through and just actually pose in the shoe, but we'll get to that. First thing I noticed on the shoe though, the leather quality. Now the leather quality is mad nice on these, and that's what made me think that these are retail, because the leather quality is really, really, really good. You guys can see, like, it's super nice. It's not some, off-brand, off-market leather, and like all the stitching is really good. Everything was excellent on the shoe, and I'm like, I don't know if this is real or not. Like, I really don't know. I'm still like, is this real? Like, look at that toe box. The toe box is really nice. There was no flaws. I even blacklit the shoe, and because I don't know if it's retail or not, I'll blacklight it for you. Y'all know I don't blacklight shoes on my channel. However, I don't know if this is retail or not. So whatever, let's blacklight it. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I'm gonna turn the light off. Look at this. There's like nothing. There's a little something there, maybe glue or something. Yeah, that looks like glue. That is definitely glue. Yeah, that's a little glue spot, but that's it. That's nothing. Like, that's normal on shoes like this. So like I said, there's nothing on the shoe. This is absolutely 100% clean. No stamps, no nothing. And I was really shocked when I saw this, because I'm like, who would take my Travis Scott from him and put a retail in the box? Like, that's crazy. And I'm just going through the shoe, just showing y'all real quick. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing on this. Absolutely nothing. And like I said, I've never had this shoe before. I don't really even care for Air Force Ones. Air Force Ones aren't my thing. That's just goes to show you, like, I don't know. I really don't know. But the shoe's nice, the leather's nice. It's got this frosted tag right here, and I don't really see anything on it. It's just like a frosted tag. I don't know if it's supposed to have something on it or not. I don't think it does. I did look it online, and I didn't see anything. There's your orange tag right there. You got your silver swoosh. I do like this one more so than I like the black pair or the University blue pair. I think that's what it is. I do like this pair better because of the yellow. But I'm just not, I'm not an Air Force One guy. You know what I mean? I don't really wear Air Force Ones. The toe box looks really nice. I mean, it's just, everything checks out. And this is a huge shoe. It does come with a second set of laces, which, like I said, all this stuff looks to be in order. It all checks out. So I don't know. You know what I mean? I really don't know. Size 13. I did measure the inside of the shoe, and it is a 13. So comes with just some standard tissue paper in there. Like I said, I don't know. You know what I mean? I don't know, but I know that Trader Joe's got them, Kiku got them, a couple other places, they all got them. You know what I mean? It's not like you can't get the shoe from any of the plugs, because it's definitely available. I don't know if it's retail or not. Even down to the stars. Look at that, all of those pronounced. This is all stuff that we've seen on various different shoes on my channel. You know what I mean? So it all looks good. I mean, there's no complaints. So I mean, I'm not really gonna go through. I guess I can. So if I had to rate it, I mean, it's an Air Force One. I don't know. Overall, I think the shoe's about an 8 for me. I know other people like it more. I know other people like it less, but I'm just not an Air Force One person. Air Force Ones crease really, really hard, and I just don't like how they look after they get all creased up. It's not a pretty shoe after it gets creased. It just looks ugly. It's not like a Jordan 1, you know what I'm saying? But it's about an 8 just overall for me. You know, if you guys want this shoe, StockX GOAT, you know, any of the plugs, the UA sites, whatever y'all want to do, y'all can go grab them. I ain't telling y'all what to do, but y'all do what y'all want. Let's jump into this on foot if I can get one. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Y'all stay humble. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.